So for this one, we'll do number 7, center front neck dart. So as usual for this, we need a dot paper copy of our original template, and then we'll go ahead and draw some key things on it, like our original waist dart that we're going to manipulate. So here's my apex punch hole, so I can draw on that dart leg. There it is. And then mid-neck. And then I like putting my green line in early. So you can already see with the green line that something weird is about to happen, right? So I think you'll be okay for notches and labeling and everything for this one. But mainly what you need me for is to show you what to do with the dart shaping, like how does this thing actually get sewn. And there's more than one way, but I'll show you one of them. Get some of these other tools out of my way. Alright, so brown paper. And then we'll cut our dart. So slice our old dart so that we can close it and open up this new dart that I'm cutting. And then we'll tape that dot paper down to our brown paper. And then we will go ahead and close the original waist dart. Make sure everything stays nice and true. Close that original dart. Tape the rest down. And then add seam allowance. So 1/2 inch at the side seam, 1/2 inch at the waist. Half inch at the armhole. 1/2 inch at the shoulder, 1/4 inch at the neck, find the center of the dart. So I'm just from this dart leg to this dart leg is 1 inch, so it's easy for me to find the 1/2 inch middle. And then I'm going to draw from the apex through the center of the dart. And then from the apex on a full size, it's 5/8 from the apex for the vanishing point, but on the half scale, it's 5/16. For the vanishing point, and then I'll draw the new dart legs for the vanishing point. For the new vanishing point, that is. And then my punch hole is on the full scale, it's a 1/2 inch from the vanishing point. So I'll make that mark, staple this down so I can fold my dart and get my seam shaping on my dart. So the dart is going to fold, the excess is going to fold towards center, but the center is on the fold, so it's kind of a weird thing that happens because this side is folding towards that side and this side is folding toward that side, so they overlap. So we have to do something about it, and that's what's weird about this. So I'll start by folding my dart and to start getting the seam shaping. And then I'll bring it over to the other side. So what's going to have to happen here is this will get cut off. And once they sew the dart, they'll have to sew this back up so that there's no hole there. So we'll give them 1/2 inch seam allowance to do that on. So there'll be 1/2 inch seam allowance here. And then we'll fold it back. It doesn't really matter, but we'll fold it back. In order to get this shape, but I think we'll still have to do a little truing. So let's see. And then cut our 1/2 inch seam allowance like that. So that's our neck dart. So I'll cut the rest of that seam allowance out. You don't need to watch me do that. I have my grain line. I need my punch hole. And that needs to be circled in red. On both sides. And we need our notches. So here we'll just have a notch on center front. The notches, this is a case where, do you need a notch? Like, because the shape is so obvious, like what's happening. So it'll depend on the company, but we'll do notches for our company. And then you'll need a shoulder seam notch at the neck and at the tip. You'll need side seam notches at the waist and at the underarm, and then you'll need your center front notch here. And then you have your grain line, and then the last thing you need to put on this is your information. So this is the center front neck. And we also need our notch for our armhole. Can't forget to transfer that. And then I also don't have here that it's, we'll do it in black. So this is slash and spread. So that just needs to be cut out, and that one's done. See you in the next video.